Okay,
Go.
let's
Ready?
see your brave.
Bike time.
You need to do it from the top.
No. Okay, I'll do it from the halfway point. Okay.
Yeah, halfway will work. Then you'll get more used to it. Okay, Liam, I'm ready when you are.
Wow, the spike is. I'm totally doing that without brakes.
Okay, I'm ready.
Dominic, get out of the way. I'm gonna do it. Wait,
Oh,
gonna do it.
boys will be boys. Oh, that was good. Stops you, doesn't it?
Do it with Ben's one. It's much more.
The brakes stop them. The water didn't stop them. The brakes did.
Oh, sure. Ready? Ready?
No brakes,
I'm ready.
Liam, no brakes. No brakes.
I'll use them if I want to.
I said the parents couldn't see these. Ouch! Okay, one more time. Oh.
I'm going for a spin.
Anytime now.
Oh. Okay.
Put your feet up. That's why you hurt your toes. Okay, next.
Do it from the top.
You mean shoot it from the top?
Yeah, shoot it. Do it.
Okay, everybody out of his way. When you are.
Watch out.
Remember to keep your feet up, okay?
Yeah. Kaylee, we're going to be the last one to go. Okay. Hey, I want to do this all day.
Keep your feet up.
That was a good one. I guess you can.
Yeah, because it hurts.
Oh yeah. Love it.
Keep putting his brakes on. He put his brakes on again.
Go, 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 go. Go.
No brakes. No brakes.
I'm ready. Probably needs a push.
Make sure to get out quick. Push by the
You weren't supposed to go under.
I died.
You did.
Oh, that's nasty. Yeah, Liam didn't go as fast. Liam didn't go as fast.
He didn't?